Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to Ice Breaks. Tagal din tayo hindi nag-open ng cards si PC. For now, let's open 2 present packs. 15 cards. Order ko ito sa Alberta sa friend ko. I hope na nakuha tayo ng magandang hits dito. Right? Prism 2024 and 25. Prism, silver, green, glitter, red, white, and blue. Base prism, purple pulsar, number from 249 to 35. Base legends prism, silver, green, glitter, red, white, and blue. Base legend prism, pink, purple pulsar, number from 249 to 35. Penmanship prism silver, rookie penmanship prism silver. Instant impact prism silver, prism green. Instant impact prism purple pulsar, number 35. Emergent prism silver, prism green. Emergent prism purple pulsar, number 35. Deep space prism silver, prism green, deep space prism, purple pulsar, number 235. Dominance prism silver, prism green. Dominance prism purple pulsar, number 235. Global reach prism silver, prism green. Global reach prism purple pulsar, number 235. Sublime manga. On average, non-base card are included. 6 of the pack. So ito lang. Penmanship. Nakuha tayo ng penmanship. Any number. Then manga. So guys, sana makakuha tayo ito. So as I read the back label, I'm hoping that we can get silver prism, mga rookie cards, numbered cards para sa rookie. May malaki value din yun. Then mga parallels like silver, prism, malaki din ng value. Green, blue, red, purple prism. Tapos mga numbered parallels na nandito sa pack na to. Tapos yung mga inserts na mga firework, emergent, mga instant impact, hindi naman masyado na may value. Depende sa player. Then super hits, mga rare lang na makakuha talaga. Autographs, then mga gold prism, number 1 to 10. Rare talaga yung black prism is 1 out of 1. So yun lang, hoping na makakuha tayo ng mga magagandang players like Wemby na numbered or autograph, or sa ating model si Sai Aksan. Nakuha din tayo ng mga magagandang hits dito. So let's open it and open let's go. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mike's Breaks. Okay. True. Push me. Lock. Nice. Shiny sa laki. Silver sharp. Jaded green. Sigil colors. Jordan Malachi. Charles Barkley. So may mga dito insert na mga legendary. Anthony Black. Grayson Allen. Coverages. Julius Randle. Si Brandon Miller. Ray Allen. Bam! Adebayo. Rookie Stephen Castle. Yeah. Rookie Stephen Anthony insert dominance at number una ko bang then Wagner green para Signature MVP. Make it. Okay. Deep space. Anthony Edward. Not numbered. Okay, dito na tayo. Austin Reeves. Shea. Wow. Shea. Makita naman. Fernie Penny Hardaway. Slipboard. Ano to? Emergent. Holmes the third. And last. Ooh. Dallas. Jaden Hardy. Okay, for the recap, ito yung nakuha natin. Fernie Hardaway, Ray Allen, Brandon Miller, Austin Reeves, Bam, and rookie emergent, Holmes the second, then deep impact, Anthony Edwards, dominance, Anthony Edwards, Jaden Hardy, green parallel, Franz Wagner, Shea Gilgeous-Alexander, and Stephen Castle. So, thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you again sa susunod na mga breaks natin. So, hoping that we can get any autographs from the rookies of mga sikat na mga players ngayon. Thank you. God bless. Please subscribe. Ike's Breaks. Press like button, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Peace.